What's up, Buff Dudes and Girls? We are here, Phase 4, Day 1 of the Buff Dudes Bodyweight program. In LA, figured we'd get this workout started off right. This first exercise is burpees. We've come to the Grand Central Market. It's there, it's behind trees, but let's follow me. We'll come in and check this place out. We got the first exercise of this workout. It's gonna be burpees, and thankfully with an exercise like this, you can do it anywhere. And we might get a little bit of a crowd watching us, maybe applause after, we'll see. So sometimes it can motivate you to really get a good workout. Anyone? Thank you, sir. It was worth it, all for that. We got the burpees done. Now you can make it a little bit more difficult, adding a push-up to it. We did a little bit of an easier route, and we're gonna move on to the next exercise. So let's go. Great thing about working out in the market. Got lots to eat, lots to drink. Grab some H2O. This is the rest time, which technically there shouldn't be rest time between exercises, but we're cheating a little bit because it's LA and it's hot as hell. That's when you know they're cold. Got perspiration in there. Yeah. Hey, so this next exercise is going to be the bear crawls. Now this is a perfect exercise to really test your core strength, and also, you know, it's just called bear crawls. Honestly, the name is pretty sweet. But I have a question for you. It's a little bit of a riddle. Why did the bear cross the road? The bear crossed the road to get buff. That's all I have. All right, this next exercise is gonna be the push-up to pull-up. One thing you have to remember is it's gonna be working the chest and also the lats, but you have to find a place to do a push-up and pull-up. Hey, we lucked out. Here's one right here. Worked out pretty well. On to the next exercise. Well, we found a wall, which is good because for this next exercise we need a wall because these are the handstand holds with shoulder tap. It's a pretty difficult exercise, and it's mainly like an isometric hold. So you're holding that handstand position, but you're lifting one arm quickly, tapping one shoulder, and then doing it in an alternating motion. What you want to do is keep your legs really wide because that's going to help you stabilize yourself when you're on one arm. We picked this wall. It's purple. It's close to the Buff Dude purple, but it's close to what you get. And we're just gonna get right into it. I get the blood rush in the head. You get like a brain pump, but also get a shoulder pump. Primarily working the shoulders. Just gotta make sure to breathe. It's hot. I felt like my head was gonna explode. Okay, we got that done. Time to walk to the next exercise and get this circuit over with. Let's do it. So the last exercise of the workout is gonna be mountain climbers. Now this is primarily a ab exercise, working the abdominal muscles, and you really don't need a lot of space to do it in, but as you can tell, we're out of the sun because it's a little bit hot outside, it's noisy, and I'm tired of putting my hands on that dirty concrete. So we're gonna find something a little bit cleaner. As you can tell, found this nice little area here. So we're gonna work the abs, finish off this workout. Here we go. There we go, that's it. We finished it up. Nice cool breeze coming in here. But you know what? We still have 3 more rounds of these exercises. So we're gonna keep walking around LA streets and you know, do some flexing, do some working out, and maybe give some random people some high fives. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So until next time,